high-profile double murder of a former NFL player and his wife in the Bellaire area back in the news today. Jury selection begins Monday in the retrial of Antonio Armstrong Jr. The then teenager is accused of killing his parents inside their home back in 2016.
His father, former NFL linebacker Antonio Armstrong Sr., and his wife Dawn were both shot to death. Jason Miles is live. Jason, this new trial has been in the making for some time now.
Well, absolutely. The retrial was supposed to have started back in 2020, but was pushed back a couple of times. The townhouse you see behind me with the flag, well, that's where it all started more than 6 years ago. This side street on the edge of Bellaire may have gone unnoticed forever, if not for a summer night back in 2016, and what happened to a mom and dad as they slept in their bed. The case drawing a lot of attention at the time because of who the victims were. Antonio Armstrong Sr., who played for Texas A&M and the Miami Dolphins, had been fatally shot in the head, alongside his wife, Dawn, who'd been shot twice. Both were just 42 years old. Their then 16-year-old son, AJ, was charged with both murders and went on trial the first time in 2019. That trial included evidence suggesting AJ's parents were upset by his breaking curfew, bad grades, and smoking weed in the house. Prosecutors also arguing the killer came from inside the house since the alarm was on.
The alarm tells us more than just the killer came from inside of the house. The alarm tells us that the killer came from upstairs.
Armstrong reported hearing gunshots coming from his parents' bedroom and initially blamed an intruder, despite no evidence of forced entry and the murder weapon ending up on the kitchen counter. But his legal team, who tried to cast doubt on an older brother who'd recently moved out, told the jury AJ was the only suspect HPD even considered.
Before any evidence was processed, before they knew anything about the crime scene as far as forensics, before anything, they made up their mind. He did it.
A mistrial was declared after the jury deadlocked following 3 days of deliberations. Meantime, A.J. Armstrong is now 22 and a father himself, free on bond and living with supportive family members, awaiting another day in court. And there have been multiple motions and hearings leading up to this new trial. For instance, the defense team is now allowed to present new evidence regarding a so-called alternate perpetrator, namely AJ's older brother. Reporting live in the Bellaire area, Jason Miles, KHOU 11 News.
A case with so many layers. Jason Miles tonight, thank you.